Hello, my name is Chris Malone. My colleague Todd Iverson and I will be presenting a workshop at USCOTS 2025 titled Less is More, Writing Code in an Introductory Data Science Course. The main purpose of this video is to provide some assistance in downloading Tableau Prep. Tableau Prep is one of the computing technologies that we will present to you on Thursday during our workshop. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started then. Before downloading Tableau Prep, I'll give you a little preview about what we plan to do on Thursday. We've been teaching introductory data science here at Winona State University since 2014. So we have about 11 years of experience in teaching our introductory course. One of the things that we've come to realize is that we need to reduce some of the barriers in learning how to write code in our introductory courses. The curriculum that we use has evolved over time and requires students to create a plan or design for each individual data processing step before we begin to code. We actually make them write things out in pen and paper. This design then is used to guide the writing of the code in a variety of computing technologies. We start with some low-code type software like Tableau Prep, and then we eventually move into more traditional scripted programming languages like Python and R. We believe that the obstacles students face in learning to write code may be reduced when students separate the design of their code from the implementation of their code. Okay, so in the email that I provided to you, you're going to go to a link. It is provided here as well, tableau.com/academic-prep. This is that page there, and you're going to select Download Trial here. What that's going to do is ask you to provide your name, business email, organization, your job title, etc. here. And then you have to agree to their service agreement, and then you can simply say download free trial. And what that's going to do is start the installer. It'll download the installer for Tableau Prep. Once that installer has been downloaded, you can simply select it and then install Tableau Prep onto your machine. Now this will take a couple of minutes, so make sure and do this before we start, or before the start of our workshop on Thursday. Now once Tableau Prep is done installing, you can select it from your menu. So Tableau Prep is the name of the software. This is kind of the initial window that will show up. And to be honest, this window will sit on the screen for a good 20 or 30 seconds on the first time that we open it. It has to do a bunch of checking, I think, for the licensing or the activation key. So it does take a little bit of time on the first time that we open Tableau Prep. You will eventually come to a window like this here, and what you're going to want to select is Activate with a Product Key. Okay, so that's the one that you're going to want to select. And then a window like this is going to pop up, and there is a, whatever that is, 20-digit activation key that I will provide to you in the email as well. Now this activation key is specific for the workshop that we're running here. It is good through the way that Tableau Prep does their licensing is that you can specify how long that you want the license to be active. And I've specified that it'll stay active for this particular key through December of 2025. So after that amount of time, you're going to have to request, you can simply request your own activation key for your own work if you are in an academic setting anyway. So once that activation key has been entered, you should be able to open Tableau Prep, and that's where we will take off during our the beginning of our workshop. Is we'll show you how to open that and get started with Tableau Prep. Okay, that's all I have then for this introductory video. Todd and I look forward to seeing you on Thursday morning. Travel safe to USCOTS 2025. Thank you.